Software company Sage has reported strong revenue growth for the first quarter of the 2020 financial year, boosted by the performance of its software subscription business. Total group revenue at the Newcastle-headquartered company grew 6.7% to £465 million in the 3 months ending the 31st of December, with recurring revenue increasing 11% year-on-year. Read more. UBS warns of more Sage downgrades as cloud spend hurts annual profit. Sage said this recurring revenue growth was underpinned by strong software subscription growth, which rose 25% during the quarter to £286 million. The growth was principally driven by its business in North America and Northern Europe, Sage said, with revenues from the regions increasing 12% and 15% respectively. Shares in the company rose as much as 4.99% following the trading update, making Sage the second highest riser in the FTSE 100 in morning trading. Sage had a strong first quarter as expected, said Chief Financial Officer Jonathan Howell. We have sustained last year's growth momentum into the first quarter of the 2020 financial year, as we continue to focus on driving recurring revenue through the transition to cloud-based subscription services, he added. Read more. Sage to sell payments arm to US Bancorp subsidiary. Howell said Sage was reiterating its guidance for the full financial year, as outlined in its 2019 results. In the results, which were announced in November, Sage issued guidance for recurring revenue growth of between 8 and 9%, and an organic operating margin of around 23%. For more on this story, visit the news article link.